In the previous video, I explained how to draw ground. The same technique applies here. So I speed up the process and I just make some comments. If you need more info, please refer to the last video. First, I draw a simple shape with lasso tools and I fill it with dark green. I select the soft brush and I choose a brighter shade of the green. Again, I choose a brighter shade of the green for the side that is more heat with the sun. With a brush that don't have soft brush tip, I start to paint between transition area so I can add more random detail to the texture of the heel. Next, I use soft brush while shape dynamic is activated and I start to draw grass. I try to take color sample in the area that grass has enough contrast with the surrounding area. I also use color balance to edit the color of the hill. Then I start to paint road. I start with brown. Then I start to paint road on the hill. With a more darker shade of the brown, I start to paint side of the road. So I can create height difference between grass and between the road. Think about the direction that you can see side of the road. I try to make more sharper edge between grass area and the road area. I add a scratch on the road to imply the feeling that people walk on it or vehicle move along it. Adding a small stone and pebble will also help. I also add some random ground on the hill so hill doesn't look like a giant green ball. This contrast in color will create visual interest on the hill. I also add a wooden sign. I think about the direction of sun. After painting main color, I add highlight. I also add darker area that help to show the texture of the wood. Think about the direction of the sun. So right side is more lighter than the left side. Beneath the wooden sign, adding shadow will help to make it part of the environment. I will also add grass and a small pebble around the base of the wooden sign. Drawing this small pebble is easy. Just draw a simple shape and add highlight in the direction that light hit the pebbles. You can also add grass between this small stone because in the nature when there's a stone, because of shadow and moisture, for grass is easy to grow up. I add this hose to the top of the hill. Later I will teach you how to paint a hose like this, but for now I just add this hose to make it look better.